Alright, back on our project here. Sorted a couple new pilots up. They don't make the size I want. These were some import something, probably made in China. So there's a half a thou between the two pilots. One fits, one doesn't. So that means it cost me twice as much for the good one. This is my homemade steel pilot in here, which we're going to use to do the boring, so we don't break off another carbide one, because I only got one carbide pilot left. Here, get on the other side, we can see this one. You're in charge. If you strip the camera of the shadow, they're going to make fun of you. Okay, so let's see what happens this time. Don't be afraid to throw them out like these things.
Last time Tatro was a little heavy-handed on the press. Warped the pilot, so it's back a week.
$450 pilot. And they're very tight. Very tight.
Last time he broke it by machine, this time he's going to break it by hand.
Well, usually you don't need a special tool to get the thing out. I'm guessing it...
you do when it's a homemade pilot.
I'm guessing it doesn't like me today. I don't think I can use a tool on there. Look out, look out, look out. Get your fingers out there. You know, see, it's too high to do that.
Cut on the bird.
No, the whole side of the chamber. Did you see the pilot move that way because it tried to rip the meat off my thumb?
Where's the deburring tool?
It's not the fact it's the bird part, it's the part I jammed it in there with pressure.
You have a go at it.
Okay, look out. It's on my damn pilot. Move. I put it right where I wanted it. Are you screwing up your fingers again?
I was going to tear my cylinder up.
I don't care about your head. It didn't work anyway. It's not how many $100 tools I'm going to throw it to get the pilot up. Where's the edges thing at?
Viewer discretion is advised.
I'm guessing there's some chips and stuff in there I didn't like it.
Got it.
Didn't use the spring either. Okay. I'm thinking I didn't like that. Get galled up on the inside of the tool. So next time, put a bunch of oil in there. Next problem. I need a hammer for me, what you're doing. It's only a little tight.
Did it score it?
Well, it didn't used to be that tight, so I'm sure it affected it a little bit. It's definitely going to be tighter on this end now because of the other issues. And the other thing is, will it go out the other way? That I don't know about because it's bigger down here, so it's not going to come out that way. It has to come out this way. You can see how it's scored it down in here. So, no matter what, it's got to come out this way.
Meanwhile, that's how you got plus size valves on a Milwaukee 8.
Am I doing that right over there?
Square port.
Here, quit moving. There's no square port in there yet. I think that's a little tighter than it's supposed to be.
Just a wee bit.
Yeah, maybe a little bit.
We should just use the carbide pilot.
Yeah, let's use a carbide pilot. That'll work. Alright, no problem.
Grease.
We should run lube on it next time, you think? I don't want everything. Alright, now we get to fix it.
Little assembly lube never hurt anyone. Alright, we'll be back.